Sam, are you playing Zombie Geek again?
Well, yes, can't I?
You've played it so many times already. Aren't you bored?
How can I get bored with a zombie game? Don't you know how popular this game is? Our video review of this game got over 1 million views! It's so cool. Give a thumbs up if you've seen our video review.
That certainly is cool. Isn't it a motive to make another game review?
Which game?
Well, for example, Plants vs. Zombies.
A moment. Here.
I don't get it.
We shouldn't make a review of the Plants vs. Zombie game. We should make a Plants vs. Zombies game from cardboard!
Well, we can do that. Let's go!
Hi, guys. Today... Huh? What's that?
It's a motor, Sammy, and wires.
What are they for?
To get our game running. You'll see. Hi! Today's project includes working with wires, so make sure to ask an adult to help you.
No. I'm not going to work with wires. I'm a slime, not an electrician.
Fine. Then you'll make the game characters.
Zombies?
Yes, zombies. Let me show you how to assemble one character, and you'll make the rest yourself.
Yes, I'm ready. You can start.
Okay, so first you need to attach the template to a piece of cardboard and carefully cut the part along the template. There are many curves here, so be very careful and keep your fingers safe.
I'm going to keep my whole self safe when I cut something, just in case.
Well, it's better to be safe than sorry. Here's the part we've made. Now, we need to roll it. Let's carefully apply 2 drops of glue and attach pieces of straw inside. 1 and 2. And close the piece tight. There. We need to apply some cardboard glue on top to make the piece sturdier.
That's right. We want to play this game many times.
Next, we'll need these 2 sticks. Let's insert 1 stick into the straws. And insert the thin stick into the opening.
Oh, it's an accident, honest.
Oh, I thought you were watching attentively.
I just saw the rubber band and blacked out.
Well, I hope you noticed how I attached the rubber band. This is the finished piece. We only need to attach the picture of a character. Rawr.
So bright. I don't know if I can shoot it.
Well, if you don't want your brains to be eaten, then you'll have to. And there. That's how you do it. See?
Yes, ma'am.
Then take all the materials and go.
To keep you entertained while we're working on our cardboard game, I'll ask you questions about zombies.
The answers will be at the end of the video.
Oh, yes. They will. Question number 1. Which zombie movie is considered to be the inspiration for all other zombie movies?
Pause the video and write your answer.
Actually, there are many zombie movies. Hundreds of movies and TV series about these creatures.
I'm a bit scared to watch them. What about you guys? Do you watch zombie movies? Hey, Sam, what are you doing here? You should be making game characters.
Oopsie.
And meanwhile, I made the base for the shooter, which we will use to shoot zombies down and keep them from getting to the finish. I only need to glue the cardboard walls.
And while you're gluing the walls, I'll ask another question.
All right.
What's the name of a series of movies which stars Mila Jovovich?
Oh, I know!
Shh! The answers will be at the end.
Oh, right. And I only need to decorate the shooter now. Done!
Just like the game! Wait, are we going to be on the side of Lance?
Yes, is there something wrong?
No, it's fine.
Let me show you how it works. I'll insert magnets, and phew! Phew!
It's more than fine! It's awesome! I'm off to make all the game characters.
Pieces are rather large. There's more space here. I've got everything. Yes, I can continue. I'll use these pieces to assemble the base for the whole game. Let's call it the game box because it'll look just like a box. But besides the side walls, our game box will have additional pieces inside. So many pieces. I'm using so much glue. I keep changing glue sticks one after the other.
I don't need to change anything to ask question number 3. Which country has a law that forbids turning people into zombies?
Is that really a thing?
Do you think one can turn people into zombies without punishment?
No, of course not.
That's right. Well, think about it and I'll continue my work. 2 more questions are left.
Guys, do you want to learn the answers to Sam's questions? Then watch the video till the end. Especially since we're going to show you how to play this game. Let's grab the motor and the wires. We need to set the motor in place. Without it, the game just won't work. It's a very important part. And this support will hold the mechanism for starting the game. I only need to add a stick. There. Now the wires. I've made several notches to let the wires through. And now here comes a crucial moment. Let's connect all the wires.
Go on, connect them, and I'll talk to the viewers and ask another interesting question. What's the name of the most well-known zombie flash mob which takes place all over the world each year?
Zombie flash mob? Sounds eerie.
Don't worry, Susie. It's not with real zombies, just people in zombie costumes.
Phew, what a relief.
How's it coming?
Here? All's good. And what about you? Did you make all the zombie characters?
1, 2, 3, well, just a couple left.
Yeah, something tells me you've got more than a couple left.
Well, no. Besides, I need to ask the last question.
First, finish making the characters and then you can ask the question.
Fine.
And I'll attach this piece. I need to insert a coin here to start the game. It makes it look like a real game. See? Let's attach it to its place. And now, I need to pull up all the threads and wires. And set the front panel. The coin slot will stick out from here. Okay, let's check if it works. I'll insert the coin and pull the thread. Great! We only need 1 coin for this game.
5th question!
Oh, phew, why are you trying to scare me, Sam?
Sorry, I just really wanted to ask the question.
Ask away.
What is considered to be the most desired food for zombies?
Oh, that's easy. It's
Shh! Our viewers write it. Well, no, I'm satisfied. I'll go finish making the characters.
Go on, we'll need them very soon. Right, most of the machine is done. Now let's take these circles and parchment and hop! We get these 2 pieces. Let's insert them into our machine. Carefully now, I don't want to ruin anything. They spin so well! I made the pattern with hot glue. Now I'll add a few more pieces. 1 and 2. And now…
Zombie!
No, Sam, too early.
Ugh.
It's electricity time.
Oh, that's interesting.
If you're interested, watch. I need to attach that small mechanism to the side of the game. I'll place it onto the cardboard ledge. I never thought I'd be making cardboard ledges. This is fun. And there you go. Nice and slow. And add a few drops of glue to make sure it stays in place. I don't want it to fall off at a crucial moment. Now let's connect all these wires to the batteries. It's important to watch out for polarity.
Is polarity the minus and plus, which are usually shown on batteries?
Yes, that's right. I'm glad you remember these things.
Sure, I remember lots of things, but sometimes they hide so deep it's hard to get them out. So deep like that Tibidabo Lake.
Yeah, I can imagine that.
What do you need these rubber bands for?
I need to fix them to the board for the game finale. I'll let the rubber bands through here and secure them with glue. Just a bit left.
Then it's time to give the answers to my zombie questions.
All right, and I'll add some finishing touches to our game.
So, the answer to the first question, the movie that became the inspiration for all other zombie movies is The Night of the Living Dead. The answer to the second question, a series of movies that stars Mila Jovovich, is Resident Evil. The answer to the third question, the country where the law forbids to turn people into zombies, is Haiti. The answer to the fourth question, the most well-known zombie flash mob, is called Zombie Walk. And the answer to the fifth question, the most desired zombie food, is human brains!
That's right!
Guys, I applaud everyone who answered all 5 questions without consulting anyone. You're real experts on the zombie culture.
While Sam was giving the answers to his questions, I finished these pieces. They are necessary to stop the game. Look, one wire is connected to the stick and the second one to a piece of metal. If the stick touches the metal, the game stops. See?
Is it finished yet?
Almost. Bring all the characters you made.
A moment.
And I'll attach clear plastic film here. It'll help our zombies to move forward. I'll secure it with clear tape. Oh, one more piece left to glue. Now that all the decorative pieces are in place, we'll attach the shooter. I'll poke the cardboard wall with some sticks glued together. And then I'll pull the stick through the handle of the shooter. And cut off the excess. Boom.
Here are all the zombies!
Oh, great! Let's place them on the board. And no rushing through this stage. If the characters aren't placed right, it'll be harder to shoot them.
Can we play? Can we?
There's one last piece left. We need to mark the finish.
Sure, it's not that interesting without the finish.
From the computer straight to cardboard, we made the game 3D.
Yay! I can't wait to play!
Let's do it. The shooter is charged, and the coin is in. Zombies are coming.
Oh no!
I aim, and...
Pew!
Pew! Pew!
Yeah!
Back, zombies! You won't take my brains.
Oh no!
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, come on! Here we go. And... Oh!
Ah.
Lost. Okay, one more time. In you go. And zombies, beware! I'm gonna get you all! And pew! 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 Oh no, here he comes! And take that! Oh guys, I can see the big zombie! And get out of here! That's how you do it.
That's it, Sue. You can put Zomber Geek away. Now this is my favorite game.
Well, I won't put it too far away in case you want some variety. Hey guys, did you like this game? Give a thumbs up if you did.
And if this video gets 10,000 thumbs up, we'll make another zombie video.
Bye-bye.
Watch yourself and show your friend. And subscribe to the channel not to miss any new videos.